Display size. Nokia X30 is 6.43 inches. Google Pixel 7 Pro is 6.7 inches. Display resolution. Nokia X30 is 1080 into 2400 pixels with 409 ppi density. Google Pixel 7 Pro is 1440 into 3120 pixels with 512 ppi density. Display type. Nokia X30 is AMOLED display. Google Pixel 7 Pro is LTPO AMOLED display. Display protector. Nokia X30 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Google Pixel 7 Pro is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Operating system. Nokia X30 is Android 12. Google Pixel 7 Pro is Android 13. Chipset. Nokia X30 is Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G. Google Pixel 7 Pro is Google Tensor G2. Processor. Nokia X30 is octa-core processor. Google Pixel 7 Pro is octa-core processor. GPU. Nokia X30 is Adreno 619. Google Pixel 7 Pro is Mali G710 MP7. RAM. Nokia X30 is 6GB and 8GB. Google Pixel 7 Pro is 8GB and 12GB. ROM. Nokia X30 is 128GB and 256GB. Google Pixel 7 Pro is 128, 256, and 512GB. Front camera. Nokia X30 is 16MP wide with 1080p video recordings. Google Pixel 7 Pro is 10.8MP ultra wide camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Nokia X30 is 50MP wide and 13MP ultra wide angle camera with 1080p video recordings. Google Pixel 7 Pro is 50MP wide, 48MP telephoto and 12MP ultra wide camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Nokia X30 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Google Pixel 7 Pro is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Nokia X30 is 4200 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. Google Pixel 7 Pro is 5000 mAh battery with 23-watt fast charging. Market price. Nokia X30 is 6 GB by 128 GB. Price is $540. Google Pixel 7 Pro is 12 GB by 256 GB. Price is $899.